Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Village Defence Primary Committee Nongsan Area hak santarik unok pra arjar arpsan klapen thamai kinangkit kam jongka namtak samoy trikam jong usnem arjar arpsan hadu usnem arjar arpopra hak boba mokordor khars imli syajit kum presiden berba ban sandur lang lengdo nonglait kum general secretary bat kiwei hak jingalang penthamai kinangkit kam ka association kablalong ha bishop hall Nongstoin la sakhi lang do MLA ka Nongstoin constituency ba Gabriel Walang bolong ru kum kongsan harkat ke jingdon lang u deputy superintendent of police u AJ Sangma bolong kum sambut kongsan belapan scam ya kinangkit kam joka association
nga u haka pertain uglai bat u kun benrio. Nowadays, because of this internet, there are so many things are going on which can be seen, which cannot be seen. So, in order to prevent the minors, basically the young boys and girls who are below 18 years, so in order to prevent small crimes created by them, which are not known and not reported to the police, the community policing plays a very important role. So the BDP of each and every locality can do some kind of policing duty, like to spy some boys who are notorious in character. So if you spy and inform the police, then the police can bring and give them a good counseling, even to the boy and even to the girl. So in that way, you can help the police department. Because from our police department, we will not know like who is what type of character. But BDP will know because you are mixing with all the public. That's why you will know all the locality boys and girls at the same time. So if you notice that some of the boys who are not interested in their studies, not interested in doing any work, and they are having different type of mentality, then you can, from your side, you can give advice the first time before it comes to the police department. But if from your side, if you cannot change that person, if you can control, then you can inform to the police, then we will give counseling to the boys. It's not that we will arrest that boy and we will send that boy to the judicial, whatever call this, jail. It's not like that. But we have a counseling centers for both the boys and girls. So I request, like, if you do this type of community policing, then it will help the new generations who are not interested in their studies. There are so many school dropouts, not only in this Kasiris, there are school dropouts in entire Garotis also. So in order to prevent all this, if you can, give us the information, then we can bring to our counseling center and we can give counseling to them. Recently, last week, I was in Kashmir. I went to Kashmir to rescue one 16 years old girl from Nongstoin who was eloped by one Kashmiri boy. So I brought that girl along with the OC of Women Police Station Nongstoin to we went to Kashmir and we brought back to Nongstoin. Now, presently, that girl is under counseling. So in that way, like if we don't give counseling to the young generations who are not interested anymore in studies, not anymore interested in doing any kind of hardworking or business, then that type of youths will ruin their own future. So I request all the BDPs, both Kentai Sinrang, to do community policing and inform us so that we can give counseling.
Hidai kinong syadem hakikato kami. Hidai kinong syayaro hakikato kami. Akan kajian kemudian kesupi firman kanan kaji kerku bakadot kaji sabtina kaji kerku kalau kaji terai kalau snow nak ko presiden jumpi pada pom kato bagran nak snow kare kaji shisha kaji don juga pi kalau Arab shisha snow kita bahkan tam jam ta agak ka yo non stoin ke suki kiwe kinantia fi nak pi kalau ni nak sok kanjai kami mafi pinang api ki phone call ki suki yo don bo phone filade shisha ki polis ba kamen se ba to ki to nang shekri ya kam bon ba ki muai kam ambe kane to thik tang ki breu la snow kwa sha nan ka kamen se na shekri na khrai kwa ki la ban shil ko ki kam ambe bon ba ki ba kan sa kan randir nama ko bong ki ka jing sha barngan ka jing mudur kajian syok kajian datu fila dolar apa berkredit pak. Kalau nggak sotuna, nak kalian di polis department, bakin saya di tiar hadu ulati nak minta kuno banjada ya lagi. Bangga sotuna dulu nak kalian di polis department. Kila island di wat pindah bantuan nanti bantu kamera di kisah. Nanti apa anak di banyak dan bantu trafik tak himpun kikam. Kami keperdi fila di polis kita. Ki polis ba klan kajing yo tolong klan kajing yo tolong ketika kami musim buat syakri ke syirkai kebatan kita ki brewi bahwa ban syakri ketika gila shisha ban lain ngai di situ lagi rupa ni shisha taro dan ketim buat mai ngaru mantan berpin di Thailand mbei ban di shop ni ngare ban bishan ngare ban ai musim di komno bina lawan syakri ketika bina lawan ai bor ai musim Kumjo abakran presiden sebagai drugs. Gano senju di kran sebagai drugs. Berkari hub center. Di kran sebagai rehab center. Wahai bina, ndai to mana akrai bawa kamustan ni kami di rehab center. Nilai terishton, lag di urban mission, lag board di NGO ki bakwak manlay ya kari rehab center. Hari dokter government kan lawan aiban om naru pasdan. Baka government kan nashmai ki bagian. Baga government kan le banglai do dalam syarong kalau majingnya ya government. Lara don kino kalau interest. Kita berdon kajian ke government kan IUP yang manpower. Kamu dia kerja. Katakan dia kerja aja government. Mereka government kamla pensiunai ye. Nak bertajuk no jumlah bakwa banlai ya kalian. Tapi nak kata tahu kamsi por kerja. Kalau kau ingin sekarang kau kena lihat urban kena lihat pemadu kesenong kamsen mahal ya kayak kosi. Jangan dia udah non dijinkan ikaman bah. Harus tuan minta yo ya kari hab serta lembaga jinya dari lan kacungi.